जनाब स्पीकर, ये करारदाद खराज अकीदत पेश करने के लिए है और ये कहती है कि whereas the Constitution of Pakistan is the supreme law of the land and it defines the basic structure, functions and powers of the state and its institutions. Whereas the Constitution of Pakistan adopted in 1973 was drafted by a committee of 25 members under the chairmanship of Honorable Abdul Hafiz Pirzada, who worked tirelessly and with great dedication to ensure that the Constitution reflected the aspirations and ideas of the people of Pakistan. Whereas the Constitution Committee of 1973 included distinguished jurists, scholars and political leaders who sacrificed their time, energy and resources in a selfless manner for the betterment of Pakistan. Whereas the Constitution of Pakistan is a living document that embodies the principles of democracy, human rights and rule of law. Whereas the framers of the Constitution of Pakistan, under the leadership of the President of the Constituent Assembly, Honorable Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and with meaningful participation of all political leaders, worked tirelessly to ensure that the Constitution represented the aspirations of the people of Pakistan. Whereas the 25 members of the Constitution Committee, along with all the members of the 5th National Assembly, who debated, discussed and voted in favor of the Constitution, are worthy of admiration, respect and gratitude for their contributions to Pakistan's constitutional history, which has laid the foundation of its progress and prosperity. Whereas the Golden Jubilee of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is an occasion to pay tribute to the framers of the Constitution and to reaffirm our commitment to upholding the principles and values enshrined in the Constitution. Whereas the Golden Jubilee celebration year of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan is also an occasion to express denunciation of all those who abrogated, subverted and suspended the Constitution and or upheld or otherwise
आप तशरीफ रखें अपनी अपनी कुर्सियों पे जनाब, निशिस्तों पर तशरीफ फरमाओ जाएं सब लोग,
otherwise lent legitimacy to it, and to reaffirm our commitment to protect the Constitution from any adventurism. Therefore, this convention resolves that the Parliament commemorates the Golden Jubilee of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 and pays homage to the framers of the Constitution who came from all walks of life, representing all provinces, socio, cultural and religious segments, for their vision, dedication and commitment to the people of Pakistan. Reaffirms its commitment to upholding the Constitution and the rule of law, and to ensuring that the Constitution remains a living document that reflects the aspirations and needs of the people of Pakistan. Salutes the members of the Constituent Committee of 1973 and the 5th National Assembly of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan for their dedication, commitment and vision in drafting the Constitution of Pakistan, which remains a beacon of hope and inspiration for the people of Pakistan. Expresses denunciation of all those who abrogated, subverted and suspended the Constitution and or upheld or otherwise lent legitimacy to it. Acknowledges and appreciates the hard work and sacrifices made by the members of the Constituent Committee of 1973 and the 5th National Assembly, and recognizes the invaluable contribution of Pakistan's constitutional heritage. Expresses its gratitude and deep appreciation for the outstanding leadership of the President of the Constituent Assembly, Honorable Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, Honorable Speaker Fazal Elai Chaudhary, as well as the Honorable Abdul Hafiz Pirzada, who chaired the Constituent Committee of 1973 with great wisdom, integrity and impartiality. Also recalls with gratitude the historic contributions in the service of the people of the country by stalwarts and leaders like the then leader of the opposition, Khan Abdul Wali Khan, Maulana Mufti Mahmood, Maulana Shah Ahmad Nurani, Mir Ghaus Bakhsh Bazinjo, Professor Ghafoor Ahmad, Khan Abdul Qayyum Khan, Mr. Mumtaz Doltana, Sardar Shaukat Hayat and others. Calls upon all institutions and citizens of Pakistan to uphold the Constitution of Pakistan of 1973 and to honor the spirit and values of its framers who sought to create a just, egalitarian and democratic society based on the principles of Islam and democracy. Declares that all the members of the Constituent Committee of 1973 and the Fifth National Assembly of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan as the national heroes of Pakistan. Declares also that all those who abrogated, subverted and suspended the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and or upheld or otherwise lent legitimacy to it will always find mention in the hall of embarrassment.
Thank you.